Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B, and before we get started, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you never miss a new hustle. If you've been searching for side hustles that don't require talking, selling, or dealing with people, this video is for you. These are low-stress, introvert-friendly side hustles that actually pay in 2025. You can do them quietly, from home and on your own schedule. Let's get into it. Number 1, transcription jobs. This one's quiet money. Companies like Scribie, and TranscribeMe will pay you to type what you hear in audio files. No calls, no clients, just headphones and typing. You get paid weekly or bi-weekly, and some people earn $300 to $600 a month part-time once they get faster. If you're a fast typer, this is a no-brainer. Number 2, app testing, user experience jobs. Sites like UserTesting, TryMyUI, and UserFeel pay you to test websites and apps and give feedback. Most tests are done by screen recording, not Zoom or live interviews. You can earn $10 to $30 per test, and they usually last around 10-20 minutes. These are great for introverts because you don't have to interact. You're just sharing your screen and answering questions. Number 3, print on demand, POD. Start a t-shirt or mug business with no upfront cost. Platforms like Spreadshirt, like mine, Redbubble, and Teepublic let you upload designs and they handle shipping and payments. You can use Canva or even AI tools to design without being a graphic designer. This is passive income, and you can do it without ever showing your face or talking to customers. Number 4, freelance writing and blogging. If you like to write, or use AI tools like Jasper, Quillbot, or Grammarly, you can start ghostwriting, blog writing, or creating email copy. Sites like ProBlogger, People Per Hour, and iWriter all have low-entry writing gigs. You never have to hop on a call. Just submit and get paid. Pro tip, use ChatGPT to speed up your drafts, then polish with Grammarly. Number 5, stock photo uploading. Do you have a phone and take nice pics? You can upload everyday photos to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and They pay royalties every time someone downloads your pic. You don't need to be a photographer. Just think aesthetic pics, coffee cups, workspaces, or nature shots. Upload once and get paid forever. Number 6, faceless affiliate marketing. Use TikTok, Pinterest, or a blog to promote products with your affiliate link and never show your face. AI tools like InVideo, CapCut templates, or Canva videos can help you create simple faceless content. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact make it easy to get links and start earning. You can earn passive income just from product clicks, without sales calls, lives, or DMs. And let's wrap it up. So those are 6 introvert-friendly side hustles that pay in 2025. You don't need to talk to people. You don't need to sell. And you definitely don't need to fake it online to get paid. I put together a Silent Side Hustle Toolkit with links to every platform, my personal tips, and a cheat sheet to help you start today. Grab it in the description below. Also, stay till the end, because I'll be shouting out other creators on TikTok who've been sharing amazing side hustle content. No face, no fluff, just real money. Their usernames are in the description. And if you want to support this channel, check out my official merch, especially if you're an introvert like me. We've got Protect Your Peace, I Work Remotely Sis, and other glow-up vibes. Tap the link in the description to shop now. https Life by Sharon B, my Spreadshop. This is Sharon B, Life by Sharon B, bringing you side hustles that don't kill your energy. See you in the next one. Let's get it.
I'm Holly, and I help people find real remote jobs that give you freedom, flexibility, and a better way to work. I send out over 20 remote jobs a day. That's over 600 a month to help you find one that actually fits your life. So you can go there now and access thousands of remote job postings. Also, I'd like to hear from you. Do you prefer remote call center work or no phone remote work? Now, this one is for my introverts, quiet people who don't want to be on phones, moms with toddlers who need background noise. There's no call center work involved with this one, and it's the customer support specialist at Heritage Civil Works. And you'll help clients by answering emails, live chats, and support tickets while solving problems and making sure they feel supported. This role pays well, offers full benefits, PTO, mental health programs, and home office setup stipend, and even performance bonuses. You can go to my Patreon for a direct link to apply, or you can just Google the company and apply there. But whatever you do, make sure you apply now because remote jobs like this don't last long. This job is for an introvert like myself, someone who wants a quiet, peaceful workday without phone calls, or a parent with kids in the background. Before I get into the details, follow me, and if you're looking for a remote job, you should join my Patreon where I send out remote jobs like this. This is the remote data entry specialist position with ABC Legal. It's full-time Monday through Friday and completely non-phone. You'll be reviewing legal documents, entering data into the system, checking for accuracy and flagging issues, all while working from home in your quiet zone. You must live in one of the approved states, so you can find those details on my Patreon. The pay is $15 an hour with benefits that include health, dental, and vision insurance, a retirement plan with 5% company match, and 10 paid holidays. You can find the details and a direct link to apply on my Patreon, or just search their site for this job listing.
It's 100% remote, and they're going to pay you between $65,000 to $75,000 per year. Full medical, dental, and vision with 100% employer-paid premiums. This is a quiet, cozy job with unlimited PTO. It's essentially entry-level because they're only looking for 1 year of experience, and that 1 year of experience they are looking for is not very niche. This one is for my cozy spreadsheet girlies and organized introverts who love a good checklist. Bonus if it's color-coded. If you need help applying to this job or any job, you can grab my Get Hired resume and cover letter toolkit. It's the exact resume and cover letter template that I use with my private clients, plus all the expertise and guidance of my brain to help you land your perfect cozy work from home job. Nonstop is hiring a fully remote marketing project coordinator role. In this role, you're going to support the execution and behind the scenes of their marketing initiatives within the health benefits industry. Specifically, you're going to be doing project support and coordination, content and compliance workflow management, and meetings and communication. They're only looking for 1 year of experience in a marketing support coordination or project assistant role in any industry or field. Someone who's really organized, who has great verbal and written communication skills, proficiency, not expertise, but project management tools like Trello or Teamwork or similar. And if you don't know Trello, that's okay. Coursera has a really great Trello for Beginners course. Or just go to Trello.com and go to their guide section. You can learn Trello for free. And as I said, $65,000 to $75,000 per year, full medical, dental, and vision benefits with 100% employer-paid premiums, unlimited PTO, a mobile phone and internet allowance, and more. You can head to the link in my bio to get access to my free work from home job board. It's every cozy, introvert-friendly work from home job that I share on here, plus a bunch more. Good luck.
Hi guys, I'm back. I apologize. I've been super busy being a mom. My kid has been keeping me very busy, but I'm back with another work from home position. This isn't a call center job. So if you're a mom with like a toddler in the background, an introvert who just thrives working by yourself, or, you know, someone who just doesn't like talking on phones all day, I see you, I feel you, I am you, and this is a position that's for you. Before I get into it, if you're looking for a remote job, I send out over 10 remote jobs every day, which is over 300 per month, to help you find the remote job that's perfect for you. So you can go to my Patreon now and start applying for those jobs today. This is a remote program assistant with a nonprofit called Resetting the Table. It's full-time and you're not doing any high-pressure calls. Instead, you're behind the scenes, organizing, coordinating, supporting events on Zoom, and keeping things running smoothly. The pay is between $45,000 to $57,000 per year. It comes with benefits, paid time off, and even reimbursement for your home office. You can go to my Patreon where you'll find details and a direct link to apply for this one, or you can just go on Google and find the company that way as well.
For all my introverts who don't want to talk on the phone, here's a data-based $30 per hour work from home job. It is full-time with benefits. If you've ever wanted to work remotely but you don't want to work in one of those call center roles, I got you. This is perfect for you. Let's get you locked in. I'll tell you exactly where to go, how to apply. So you're going to comment, I'm ready to start, so I can put a face to your name. Save this post for later so you don't lose it. Follow for more also so you will see these pop up daily when I post, all of them. And like this post, because, that's just so sweet of you to help me out. And if you think someone's going to be suited for this, send it to them, because sharing with a friend is always caring. All right, let's dive in. It's a data annotator. You're going to write financial prompts, label, proofread, and improve the outputs. Follow the style guide to make proper recommendations for changes and things that need to be edited. So no degree needed, like I said, with that equivalent work experience. You must be an expert in Excel. You're highly organized, detail-oriented, and you can work well independently. So if you are kind of someone who doesn't like to be micromanaged, this is also going to be great for you. If you want the link to apply, you're going to swipe over the link tree in my bio under job lead links here.
If you are an introvert like myself, this side hustle is perfect for you because you don't have a boss, you don't have to talk to anybody, you just mind your business and you write letters. I'm in my bed today. I am not leaving here for 1 to 2 hours because I plan on writing at least 30 letters. And I have the TV in front of me. I'm gonna put on my favorite show or movie and I'm just gonna write away. We are starting off with envelopes. I'm gonna do my envelopes. I find they take up less time. And then after that, I will do my index card, which look like this. Just covering there because that's where my address is. But right here, it is 1 paragraph, 2 sentences, and you write the same thing over and over again. The envelope, you are writing the same address over and over again. A very easy side hustle. It's very straightforward. There is a course involved because it does show you what you'll need to be writing on the index and envelope, as well as teaching you how to convert. It also teaches you how to make an account on the big company's website. It will verify that your templates are correct, so there's no mistakes and you don't risk yourself from not getting paid. There are a lot of rules. There is a lot involved in this side hustle. Very easy if you take a course. The course that I took was Send It Academy, which is linked in my bio. If you want to know more about pay per letter, just DM me letters and I will send you more information.
This is Tyler saying hello. Thank you for calling. This one for you. Stay to the end. So I have 5 non-work from home jobs that's currently hiring. Number 1, we have Segwit, which they're hiring for a claims examiner. Number 2, we have CareCentrics. They're hiring for a claims support associate. And then we have MetLife. They're hiring for a senior long-term disability claims specialist. And then we have CVS. They're hiring for a grievance and appeals quality analyst. And then we have CVS. They're hiring for a senior claims benefits specialist. Go to their website and apply. And if you need help with resume or assessment help, then DM me.